right, thank you very much, John. Well, first on Fox Now, we're going to turn gears a little bit. The child custody case the Georgia Court of Appeals reversed and remanded, and the one we investigated was back before Judge Daniel Craig today in Augusta. Our Nick Lully was in the courtroom and shows us how it all went down.
I have no legal grounds to ask this court to recuse himself, but I'm asking you on your own motion to do that.
Fireworks in the courtroom after the attorney for the mom asked Judge Daniel Craig to voluntarily remove himself from the case altogether after an appeals court reversed his original decision based upon what they called erroneous views of the law.
The matter was remanded back for the court to reconsider its order based upon the errors that were found by the appellate court.
The appeals court says those errors include Craig using a Department of Children Family Services report and information gleaned from that and reaching his verdict. But it was never entered into evidence, nor did anyone from the agency testify, according to the Court of Appeals ruling. They say Craig erred in considering matters outside the record. The Court of Appeals also took issue with Craig denying the mother's request for access to it, saying Georgia statute requires she be provided with it when being used and determining the issues before the court.
I'm glad that she's appealed this and she thinks that it's a significant point of law, but truthfully, these records that in or out really, I think, are largely irrelevant to the decision that this court would reach in this case.
Now today in court, Craig says he will consider the request to voluntarily recuse himself. He also ordered a new guardian ad litem onto the case, as well as asked the kids to be kept in the mother's care in Augusta for the next month. Craig also asked the father to pay a small fraction of the mother's attorney fees. The case isn't over yet. Of course, we'll keep following for you and let you know what happens next. In Augusta, Nick Lully, WFXG, Fox 54.
Let's take a live look now at our WFXG.com website. We've posted a lot more video from today's hearing on this case. Just click the As Seen on WFXG section. A man